it from my god. Oh my god. Hello everyone, in our last video we said we'll be doing a giveaway for a squishy, and make sure you watch to the end of the video because that is when we'll be announcing our giveaway winner. We've also said that we'll be freezing the squishy to see what happens. We were going to stick it in the freezer, but we decided that'd be a little bit boring. That's why we decided to go and get some dry ice. And I know this video's taken a while, but that's because we've been trying to get hold of the dry ice and I'm so excited to see it. Oh my god, that's so cold. Just put your hand above it, just don't touch it.
Why can't I touch it?
Because it's cold. Do you know how cold it is?
No.
Alright, so we're going to try the first trick that everyone tries when they get dry ice. We're going to get some warm water and we're going to add some dry ice to that. Alright, so now I've got the mat. Just don't want to damage anything. Can we get the dry ice?
Whoa, wait. Aren't you forgetting anything?
What?
Some gloves?
Oh yeah. Okay, I suppose this is the perfect time for a safety announcement. Alright, make sure you guys don't try this at home, and if you do, make sure you have adult supervision or supervision from a professional, because obviously like we're professionals and stuff, yeah, so yeah. Make sure you take all the safety precautions if you are going to try this. Alright, so now that I've got my gloves ready, what we're going to do is we're going to get some of that dry ice. I don't know how much to put. Oh my god, look at... It's cold, I can feel it through my glove. Alright, whoa.
Oh wow.
Oh my god. It's literally just bubbling. And I dropped one. Oh, it's gonna freeze the floor.
Boy, you're wet.
That tastes disgusting.
Do not try this at home.
I think I'm dying from carbon monoxide poisoning.
Hello, it's gone onto the thing!
Alright, wait. I wanna see if this does anything.
Skills by X Master 1, 2, 3.
At the beginning.
There's still some in there. You can see it from the bottom. It's almost gone. Finished.
So now we're going to see what happens if we put a bit of fairy liquid in the bowl and add some really hot water and then obviously some dry ice. Alright, so here we've got the fairy liquid and really hot water. I've noticed I'm doing it on a mat so I don't burn the cloth, in case you're watching mum. Oh no. I'm gonna get a towel! Oh crap, mum's gonna kill me. Yeah.
So this was an epic fail. What happens when you pop the bubbles?
I don't know where the bowl is gone.
It's just very
liquid. Just put the plastic. Just pop all the bubbles. I think we're gonna take some more precautions next time. But that was cool.
That's how they do special effects in the movies.
You can cut now, bro. I need to clean this up.
So this is what happens when you don't plan out your experiments well enough and you have to clean your mum's carpet. How's it going down there?
Recording me?
How's it going down there?
Alright, so the experiment we're going to try now, we're actually going to try and freeze some stuff. So first we're going to need some 99.9% purity alcohol. And then we're going to need a cup. And most importantly, some dry ice.
A big box of dry ice.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, so cold, is add some dry ice. Oh no.
Or just get it all over the table.
Can you hear that?
Yeah. Floats.
Oh my god, that's so cool. It's like vibrating dry ice. Alright, so normal ice freezes, which is just water, freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, where it becomes ice. This, however, dry ice, freezes at minus 78 degrees Celsius, that is close to minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if we were to put water in here, the water would either bubble up or it would all freeze. That's why we're using the 99.9% purity alcohol, because that freezes at a much lower temperature than water. Okay, so now you can actually see the glass is freezing close to the glass. Alright, so we're going to try getting off. I'm just hoping the glass can withstand this. Alright, so even though it's boiling, that is incredibly cold. Alright, so just to show you how cold this is, I'm going to dip this into there. Okay, now just to show you how cold that is, I'm going to get a hammer. Can you hear that?
It's hard.
Can you hear that crunch?
It just crumbles.
Alright, so now we're just going to try it with another flour. Just let that freeze. I just don't want to get any of that on my fingers. Okay, and now you'll see. Oh my lord. Alright, that bit wasn't in the thing. But look.
Oh wow.
Okay, that was not smart. Okay, I'm going to take the glove off. Woo! It's cold. Alright, so now we're going to add some more dry ice. And we're going to do the moment we've all been waiting for. My glove is frozen. You hear that? Guys, you're about to see a freezing unicorn, alright?
Frozen.
I just realised I put too much dry ice in there. Right, so we filled that pretty much to the top with the alcohol.
Unicorn squishy, only
Unicorn
$7.99.
I'm going to put the bottom of that in. Just squish the whole thing in and see what happens.
I mean, it is squishy.
Sounds like do you know when you boil eggs? Right, I suppose you can cut. Oh my god, I can feel the inside of it crunching. I'm gonna have to do it off the glass. Can you hear the crunching inside? Just listen. That didn't work too well. We're gonna try that again. So right now we're just trying to, I can't hold this, it's too cold. That should be enough dry ice. Right, and now, get the squishy.
I'm drowning.
Oh my god, it's still squishy.
So now I'm going to take this out. You know what, surprisingly, it's still squishy. But can you see how it's got fat? It's like expanded. So what I'm going to do is we're going to try that again. This time we're going to put the head in. Right, so now we're just going to take that out to see what's happened. Oh my god, it's stuck to the squishy, the metal, the
No,
top.
you literally just have to put that up and then it...
Oh, so look at how much his head is expanded. Right, now I'm just going to squish it. I'm going to see if it's slow rising or not slow rising. Whoa, so slow. It's become springy. How weird is that? It's not even...
I don't think you call it a squishy anymore.
It's not even a squishy anymore. I'm going to see if it's easier to rip it than it is to rip it before it's frozen.
Oh,
okay, I think that answers the question. Wait, it's giving me super strength. And squishy, I'm gonna get this. Does it absorb alcohol? This rips. That's so weird.
What are you doing to the unicorn's head? Meanwhile, there's just liquid nitrogen in the glass.
What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna dip this in there to see what happens if I freeze the actual inside bits of the squishy. Can you hear it screaming?
What happens if you put the camera in there?
I don't know, let's find out. As I squeeze it, it starts screaming. I wasn't faking that noise, I promise. Can you see that? As I press down, you can actually see the alcohol just oozing out. What we're going to do is we're going to rip this squishy in half and we're going to put one of them in the ice. We're going to leave the other one out so we can compare them.
You really like ripping squishies, don't you?
Yes. Okay, so after my amazing rip there, look at how frozen that is. This is the same one from before. Look, it's basically snow. That is disgusting. I didn't drink it. I just smelled it. Right? Look at that. Oh, my fingers are starting to get really.
Oh! Whoa!
And hopefully it will just sit. I'm just inhaling all these fumes right now. If it wants to come out, alright, I'm gonna let that grow back. Super slow rising squishies, guys. Take that and put that one next to it.
It's inflated.
That has inflated a little bit compared to that one. This one here is the one that I froze, and this is the normal one. You'll see that there's a size difference between them. And I'm just gonna squish these both down, and you're gonna see which one's the slow rising one. As you can see, the one on the right basically it's just a spring, and that one there is super slow rising, because that's how we do it at Raw Gadget. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. But now for probably one of the most main moments of the video, we'll be announcing the winner of our giveaway. So this has been a really hard one to choose. We've had so many entries and you guys are fantastic. Make sure you join all the other giveaways. If you guys don't win this time, don't be too upset. You've always got a chance to join our giveaways. We do them on Instagram as well. You can follow us. It's like that on the back. It's just at Raw Gadget. And the winner, are you guys ready? Drum roll please. The winner of our giveaway is... And I really hope you enjoy your squishy. We'll be in contact with you soon. I hope you enjoyed our video there where we played with some dry ice and saw what the dry ice did to the squishies. Here we've got the large ones that we tried with the cakes. And it looks a bit like a battlefield here. We've got that one right from the beginning of the video and I suppose it's probably frozen now.
Yep.
Oh, hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure you watch our next video where we'll be trying dry ice versus slime and a super explosion.